In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add TikTok Shop product link to TikTok videos. By the end, you'll know exactly how to connect your product catalog to your content so viewers can shop directly from your post. First, open your TikTok account and make sure you're signed into the profile that's connected to your TikTok Shop. This is important because the shopping features only appear on accounts that are eligible and properly set up. If your TikTok Shop is still in progress, keep in mind that you'll need it verified before you can attach products to a video. Verification confirms your store and unlocks the shopping tools you'll use in this process. Next, tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Here, you can upload your video from your camera roll or record a new one on the spot. Choose the option that fits your workflow. Once your clip is in place, add your description. Your description should clearly mention the product you're featuring, and if it fits your brand, a short call to action, like tap the product tag to see details. Keep it concise and helpful. Strong, clear descriptions make it easier for viewers to understand what they're seeing and why they should tap through. Now, once your store is verified, you'll see an option on the posting screen to add a link. Look for the shopping or link icon labeled Add Link. If you don't see it yet, double-check that your app is updated and your shop status is active and verified, since that's what enables the feature. Tap Add Link and you'll see your product options appear. This is your connected catalog. Scroll through and find the exact item you want to feature. When you see the product you're showcasing in the video, simply click it. If you're highlighting more than one item in the clip and your account allows it, select the additional products as well. This attaches shoppable tags to your video, so viewers can tap and view details like price, variations, and availability. That's the core process. A few practical tips as you finish up. Make sure the product shown in your footage matches the product you select from your catalog, and double-check that your pricing, inventory, and images are up to date in your shop. Keep your product visible early in the video so the tag feels relevant when it appears. Finally, remember that features can vary by region and account type, so if something looks different on your screen, it may be due to eligibility or local availability. Once you've attached the product, you're set. Your video will display the product link and viewers can tap to learn more and purchase directly through the TikTok Shop experience.